The beating heart of this place, I fear, has now ceased to bear life. Much has obviously happened here, a truly forgotten part of the world. All these possessions that lay strewn around me are windows to someone's existence. Or are they in fact my own memories, trapped within my mind, forgotten about, locked deep within its grey interior? I can feel myself teetering at the edge of this colourless chronometer. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Secrets are being held up there on the summit of Montague's Mount. I must continue. I must push forward. I must find the truth. I need to find out what happened here. I need to know the truth. What in God's name happened here?